Hey guys, this is CJASKS and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be launching our first ever #C3ASKS episode. And then, so what will be happening in this series, I will be asking random people one question per episode. Let's hear their unique answers. So let's go!
I will go to Siargao.
Siargao, why?
Yeah, because my brother has like because like my auntie has like a little house there, and then she says it's really relaxing, and then you can like surf.
And in the Philippines, Coron.
Why?
Because nindot good, like paradise mo good kay siya. Gahan ko, pwede na ko di mo balik dito si Babe, mato ko dito.
I guess Sikihor Island, because first, I never been to Sikihor. Second is dito gad ako akong papa, so it is an opportunity to know as kung sa iyang kanang story pagkabata niya before siya ni ari sa Cebu. And the third is dangad ako ng mga enchanted something mysterious, but mga waterfalls, mga specific beaches na never been kanang basta wala siya na atuan, basta Sikihor.
If you are given a chance to travel within the Philippines, where would it be and why?
Oh gosh, I've been to Coron, Palawan, but I'd love to go there.
Coron?
Again.
Parehas mundo ah.
Again, sir.
Diba? Yeah.
Siargao, because I want to go beaches like naked, naked. Yes, I want to go there.
Uy.
Naked Island.
Ah, okay. Naked Island. Same answer?
Naked Island.
Leyte. Why?
I want to go home.
Ah, okay. How about you?
Palawan.
Palawan. Why?
Because it's very beautiful.
Ah, that's nice. Okay, thank you. Asa man?
Palawan.
Why?
Bisayan.
Oh, Bisaya.
Nindot man siya kay nindot siya nga place.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Bagyo. Kaya ganun akong experience sa yan, kanang cold weather niya. Huwag karong ng strawberries.
Ah, sides.
Yeah, Bohol.
Ano di mong parehas?
Yeah, pareha.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Siargao.
Siargao.
Why?
Because they say it's amazing, it's got the nature, the
Waves.
the
Island life.
yeah, the surfing.
Siargao in my hometown.
Nice. Yes, go ahead.
Ako kay sa Siargao.
Siargao. Why man?
Sa Siargao kay nindot man dito, kakita ko sa mga videos sa mga tao. We're from Siargao.
Ah, isuon mo?
Dili.
Like, classmates or
Friends. Batanes.
Batanes, why? Agay.
Paradise siya.
Paradise siya. What? Thank you. Hey, kamu na lang tanan. Kamu na tanan. Birthday girl. If you are given a chance to travel within the Philippines, where would it be and why?
Palawan. Palawan.
Ano man?
Why not? Kasi why not? Nindot siya na yun. Ang nagatingin ka na.
Batanes, why?
For me, it's a great place. Just picturesque view.
Ako?
Oh my God, pwede all around the Philippines. Kailangan specific.
Kailangan specific ko sa...
Kailangan specific. I'd like to go.
Dali na lang ako.
Cebu na lang. Uy, dito sa Cebu.
Sa Cebu o lagi, naghan. Pero dili, ganahan ko mato sa Palawan. I think it's... Pagkon siyang salo. Yeah, kaya gusto na ko ma-experience ang fun, ang ilahang wonderful beaches, and ayun.
Palawan, since I think it really has the most wonderful natural resources, I really want to test the waters there.
And why?
Siargao. I'm planning to go to Siargao. Malapas ko for the win.
Why Siargao?
Because movie man Siargao. Because we love surfing.
Oh, that's nice.
Wait.
Sana lang
Batanes.
Ganun man.
Because I have seen that it has
preserve its natural resources and also its artificial resources like architecture. And I also want to learn more about their culture, especially sa katong mga tao nga film nila maaptan og bagyo, so giunsa nila pagpuyo dito, giunsa nila pagtukod ang mga balay na bato, and yeah.
Palawan. Tuan. Uy, yun ang Palawan. Lagi ko me. Because the flora and fauna is so rich there. Ano, diba?
Kuan sa Batanes. It has always been a dream of my father to reach Batanes. And that's I like
para want to miss akong ganahan, want to miss ganahan. That's what fun ba?
Ang Batanes.
Ha, sa man ako ganahan, kuya. Ay, Palawan sa tatulain. Kay kuan man, kanang katulahang 7. Atong may katong mga island sila. Atong sa kuan kay ni Solen, katong Snake Island. Ano ba to? Sa kato kay dito Chatul.
Ako may kuan na Siargao, of course. Yes, because kuan man, I've heard so many good things about the place, so why not?
Leyte, there are lots of hidden paradise.
Oo mo ba?
From south to north, from summer.
Oh, okay. Okay, bro, thank you. Philippines, where would it be and why?
Siargao.
Siargao, ano?
I've been to Siargao many times. Iban to kong back. Many times.
Easter summer. Ganang gusto ko ng word, ang feeling ng word edge na siya sa vast ocean.
Facing the Pacific Ocean.
Yes, yeah.
Actually, murag wa ko kay ideal pa nga place, pero ganahan ko adventure gyud kana spontaneous nga mga adventure ba nga pinakalit bitaw. Kay usually mo sa imong buhat sa
yeah.
So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and pinakadaghan og answer sa ato ang question for today is no other than Siargao. So if you agree, please comment down below, and you can also comment down your answer for the question. If you are given a chance to travel within the Philippines, where would it be and why? So yeah, personally my answer would be Batanes because it's breathtaking and it's at the edge of the Philippines and it's a total disconnection of the technology, something, I don't know, yeah, but it's so beautiful. It's worth the price. So if you have questions that you would want me to ask random people, please comment down below with the hashtag CJASKS. So yeah, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share peace and love. Bye.